So you want to do a goblin costume. The first thing you're going to find out is that what exactly does goblin mean? It means a lot of things. There are a lot of options and variations on goblins. What do you think of when you think of goblins? Odds are what you would think of would be totally different than you ask somebody else on the street. So we're going to go over a couple of options and then describe what we're going to do today. The first option is you can have more of a demonic goblin. More of like some, you can have like red shades on the skin, look to have more shadow and black there. This is, a much more, nefarious, overtly evil goblin. But that's not the only option. Another option, you can go for more of a near gargoyle look. This is, a lot more grays. You're not nearly as demonic. You'll also notice that goblins don't necessarily have to look evil. They can, have wide smiles on their face. They can still look mischievous, but not be overtly evil. Now, the look we're going to do today is actually neither of these, not in pure form. We're going to have a kind of more of a grayish brown goblin, the type of goblin you think he was scampering around, maybe up to no good, who likes things which are metal and likes to hoard things as well.